Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to delete your Google search history. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So in order for you to delete your Google search history, first you have to go to your Google browser, tap this three dots, scroll down here and look for history. Once you tap this history, you will see this list of your recent search or your history. So if you want to delete, just tap the X right here. But if you want to delete all, you can tap on delete browsing. Now you can see here time range. You can select last hour, last 24 hours, or last 7 days. Everything is up to you. And then below you can tap or select the data, for example, all of the history or just cookies and cache. So you can select it right here. And then after that, you can now tap on delete data. So basically that's it. If you want to delete your Google search history easier, then you can just do this method. So that's how easy it is to delete your Google search history. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.